Hello home bakers, today I am very happy to share with you my gingerbread cake recipe. It's absolutely delicious. I hope that you try it out, you'll absolutely love it. These are the ingredients that you will need for your cake. Full details are in the description section. So we're going to start off by creaming our sugar and butter together. Now if you have a stand mixer or a hand mixer, you can go ahead and do this for about a minute. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make this cake even if you don't have a mixer. So I start off by whisking together and then I'm changing to a spatula, giving a nice good mix, back to the whisk it until your mixture is very well creamed. Then you add your eggs. Whisk together until your egg is well combined into the mixture. Next, we're going to add the star of this recipe, which is the molasses. Molasses is unrefined sugar and it has a very robust and deep and beautiful taste. So don't omit this ingredient in your cake. Once you add the molasses, again, you want to mix it all together until the molasses is well combined into your cake batter. At this stage, this is what your batter should look like, a nice brown color, and you can already smell the nice aroma of the molasses. Next, we're going to mix all our dry ingredients together. The spices that we use are ground cinnamon, ground ginger, and ground cloves. So you want to measure that and add that to your plain flour. And you're also going to be adding your raisin agent, which is baking powder, as well as using salt. Add all that together and then just mix so that it's well combined. Before we go on, let me remind you, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So now we're going to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and then gently mix it together with your whisk or with your stand mixer or hand mixer. You want to mix until all the flour is nicely combined into your batter. Once you got to that stage, then you stop. The reason that you stop once all the flour has been incorporated is that you don't want to overmix your cake batter. That can change the consistency of your baked cake, make it tough and not really nice. So be careful not to overmix. This is what your batter should look like. Now we're going to add a boiling hot water to the mixture and gently mix that in. I say gently because you don't want the water to splash onto you. Now at this stage, you'll see that your batter is quite runny. Don't be alarmed. This is absolutely normal. And this is the way that it looks like. So we're going to pour it into a pre-prepared cake tin. If you don't know how to prep your cake tin, just click the button showing at the top of your screen or check in the description section. So pour your batter into your cake pan and then put in the preheated oven to cook for the appropriate time. So our gingerbread cake is ready. It's fresh out of the oven. And this is what it looks like. Nice and beautiful. I wish you could smell it. It smells gorgeous already. So leave in the cake pan for a couple of minutes to cool down, and then we're going to take it out of the cake pan and put it on our wire rack. I can't wait. Run a spatula around the sides of your cake to loosen it from the cake tin before you pop it out. Now, if you prepped your cake tin properly and you loosen it before you pour the cake out, your cake should come out in one piece just like that. Voila. And here is our gingerbread cake. Nice, delicious cake. So I'm just going to cut out a section so you can just see it's a dense type of cake, but it's absolutely delicious. And I paired it with some ice cream and honeycomb. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.